Judith Butler's Subversive Bodily Acts. Judith Butler is an influential American philosopher and gender theorist whose work has significantly impacted feminist theory, queer theory, political philosophy, and ethics. Born in 1956, Butler is best known for their theories on gender performativity, a concept that suggests gender identity is constructed through repeated performances, social performances, rather than being a fixed or innate attribute. Butler's most famous work, Gender Trouble, Feminism, and the Subversion of Identity, published in 1990, challenges conventional notions of gender and identity. In this book, Butler argues that gender is not a stable identity or locus of agency from which various acts follow. Rather, gender is an identity tenuously constituted in time, instituted through a stylized repetition of acts. Judith Butler's concept of subversive bodily acts is a key component of her theory on gender performativity and the social construction of gender identities. This concept is primarily discussed in her works like Gender Trouble and Bodies That Matter, published in the early 90s. Butler challenges the traditional understanding of gender as a natural and stable identity, arguing instead that gender is performed through repetitive acts and behaviors. These performances are regulated by societal norms and expectations, which dictate what is considered to be masculine or feminine. Subversive bodily acts refer to actions that challenge, resist, or subvert these normative gender performances. According to Butler, because gender is not an innate biological fact, but rather a social construct maintained through performative acts, it is possible to disrupt the binary understanding of gender through subversion. This can include acts that defy conventional gender norms, such as cross-dressing, androgyny, or simply refusing to act in ways that society expects of one. Butler argues that these subversive acts have the potential to expose the arbitrary nature of gender norms and to challenge the binary gender system. By performing gender in ways that contradict societal expectations, individuals can reveal the performative nature of gender itself and the possibility that gender identities that lie outside the binary framework of male and female. Subversive bodily acts therefore play a crucial role in Judith Butler's theory as a means of questioning and destabilizing rigid gender categories and opening up space for more fluid and inclusive understandings of gender identity.